Mystery of moon. This is the topic that we are talking about. Mystery of moon. What is the mystery of moon? As per the current physics, as per the current physics, if someone is talking about the moon, then he will see the physics. What is the physics? This is the moon. Okay. If this is the moon, then this is if this is the moon, then this is earth. If this is the if this is the earth, then this is sun. Okay, actually it should be other way. Sun should be the biggest, earth is middle, and but we have taken for clarity moon is this big, and this is earth, and this is sun. So earth is moving around the sun. Okay, and taking along with the moon also. Earth is moving around the sun, and then moon is moving around the earth. Earth is rotating on its own axis. It is very complex architecture God has made. Earth is moving around sun while rotating on its own axis, and then it is rotating. This is sun. Then earth is rotating around the sun, rotating along its own axis also. While earth is rotating, it is taking the moon also along with it. Now earth is rotating on its own axis, and moon is rotating around the earth, and it is making one rotation when it has completed the full rotation. Okay, how you can say that a moon is rotating? It's very simple to analyze. If moon always faces, if this is the face of the moon, if this is the face of the moon, that is toward the earth, this will always face the same face toward the earth. If I do like this for after one revolution, it has moved 360 degrees. If moon is not rotating on its own axis, if earth is facing this side of the moon and moon is not rotating on its own axis, then it will do like this. And after 180 degree of rotation, person will see other side of the moon if moon is not rotating. So moon is keep rotating slowly, 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 so that the one face of the moon will always be visible to the earth. And when it is gone to other side, it has already rotated 180 degree. Then it comes to the back, showing the same face to the earth. Then it has already rotated 360 degree. That is the concept of the moon rotating around the earth. Now, the question that we are asking here, if someone is watching the moon, then moon has two sides. One side is visible to the earth, other side of the moon is not visible to the earth, and both sides are completely different. That is not the case of the earth. Earth is land versus ocean. Earth is land versus ocean. Land is there, ocean is there. Everywhere it is the same. If earth rotates, everywhere land is there, ocean is there. Land is there, ocean is there. But moon is not like that. If moon show only the one part to the earth, then that part is completely different than other part. Why it is? Okay, no one is stopping moon to show only one part to the earth. That is all right. But why moon is a sphere? Moon is a sphere, then all part of the moon should look exactly same. Provided one part it is showing, other part it is not showing, but both parts are exactly different. Exactly different. If I see the far side of the moon that people on the earth they cannot see, it is a completely flat, more or less. There are craters there. Craters are spherical. Spherical means if I want to make crater here, then I'll take a sphere and I'll dip it. Okay, half of it. Then it will make a spherical crater. I take a paraboloid, like this is a paraboloid shape. If I dip it somewhere, it will make a paraboloid crater. So on the far side of the moon, it is only craters are there, and otherwise it is a flat land. Where at near side of the moon, that people see the moon, that is only mountains are there, and then ditches or terrains are there. Okay, means deep valleys are there. Deep valley or mountain, deep valley or mountain, more or less it is like that only. But other side of the moon is a flat land. Only craters are there. That's it. It is something like that. Someone made a flat area, and it was when it was molten. Someone created crater, dipping some shape and created the craters. Okay, scientists say that that site is made because of the asteroids fell on it. Completely false. Asteroid cannot make that much evenly distributed craters. They are not possible. Who stopped that site to generate mountain? This is the another question. If this site there are a lot of mountains are there, then who created the valley? Okay, the craters, the asteroids or meteorites, they cannot create comets, they cannot create valley that deep, not possible. How deep the valley is, I don't know, but it would be very deep. And mountains are very high. In that fashion, that is not possible that any heavenly body hit the moon and it created that fashion. And that side also it is not possible. It will be uneven, or some places it will be flat. Then why mountains are not there? Some places it will be flat, some places will, but it is evenly dips are there. Like someone has deliberately made a dip out there, and this side mountain and crater, mountain and valleys are there. Why it is like that? This is a one of the biggest mystery. Why it is like that? Why both sides are completely different? Okay, now let's watch. Then this is the hint we gave in the first section. Watch the moon. Moon is not the same. Yeah, we know moon is not the same. Scientists say that if this is the sun, if this is the sun and this is the moon, moon receive light from the sun. Moon receive light from the sun. This is full moon. If this is earth here and this is sun, then earth is here. This is the east side. Consider person is seeing this side as east, this side as west at some moment. Then earth, from earth person is seeing sun in the west. Means sun, there is a sunset going on. At that time of the sunset, he is seeing the moon. Means sun full light is falling on the moon. He is seeing full moon night at that moment. Okay, because of the earth rotation, moon will look like moving from east to west. This is because of the earth rotation, not because of the moon. Moon is there only. Okay, but moon rotates east to west. Earth rotates west to east. Earth rotates west to east. Whereas moon rotates east to west. Oh, I'm sorry. Earth rotates west to east. Okay, if this is west, this is east. Earth rotates west to east. That's why everything looks like moving from this side to this side. Then moon also rotate around the earth west to east only. That's why moon also day by day it start moving like this only. Okay. Anyway, if that is the case, now the question that is arising is, if this is the full moon night, if this is the full moon night, full moon, this is sun, this is full moon. Full moon happened because it started from the, this is the west. At the when it is at the west, then other part of the moon. Consider this part of the moon we are seeing. See, light is coming. Other of the moon on the no moon night when there is no moon and earth is here, moon is here, sun is here. Person is seeing moon toward the west side and he is not able to see the moon at all because other part of the moon is coming toward the sun and it is completely bright. Other part which has a craters. Okay, and the part that is toward the earth, that is completely dark because shadow is coming, he is not able to see at all. Then moon will start moving like this. Okay, when middle way half of the moon will see, because half of the, this part, this is the half part and this is the front is the half part. If sunlight will come, it will go to the half of here. See, it is like that. Half, this part is dark, half of the light will fall on the one other part of the moon and half of the light will fall on the near part of the moon. You will see half part of the moon. Then it will rotate like this. Then if it comes this side, sun is this side, west side, moon is east side. In the evening, then full light will fall on the moon. Just before one day, just see the moon, how bright it is. Then when full moon night happens, then moon will shift this direction. Then again, there will be moon will be little tilted and some part behind the moon. some part behind the moon, far side, it will be illuminated, and not full side of the near moon. It will shift. Sunlight will shift because of the angle. When it is full moon night, before one day again same situation will be there. The near part will not receive the full light. Rear part will receive some light. They are more or less at the same condition. But still, looks completely different. If someone watches in the night, one day prior to the full moon, it will be extremely bright, extremely bright. One day after the full moon, it will be like a faded one. It should be equally bright. Anyone can watch. One day prior to the full moon, see the moon in the evening. How bright it will be. Next day, it is going to be full moon night. Prior to that, one day, it will be extremely shiny. After full moon night, wait for some time, moon will come up again. And then you watch it. It will be faded. It will not be the 2 days back the way it was shiny. This is the secret of the moon. Why moon has two different sides, and one side is not visible to the people, and it is visible to the sun only. Why it is not visible to the people? Why God made like this? That one part of the moon is never visible to the people. Why? Because it should be always visible to the sun. That is more true. God did not make the moon so that one part it wants to keep it secret. That is not true. One part God made that will be dedicated to sun only, always. And one part is dedicated to the human. That is secondary, not the primary. If it is facing to you, it is secondary. But main thing is the back side. The moon's secret is hidden in the back side, not in the front side. What is the secret? That moon is like that. Moon is the secret for the moon is the secrecy in the brightness of the moon. One time it is highly bright, and in the same phase it is not the bright. What it gives like that? Moon, if someone asks the scientists, they will show that, tell that moon is not a light emitting heavenly body. Moon is not a star. It does not have its own light. It reflects the light from the sun. If it reflects the light from the sun, then moon will not have that much change in the illumination of the moon. 13th day and 15th day, if I consider 14th day as a full moon, then 13th day and 15th day, light will not be that much different on the moon because it is coming from the sun reflection only. This proves that moon has something different also. Moon is not that straightforward. If someone keeps a moon-like heavenly body near to the moon, at a distance of moon, if someone creates a heavenly, some stone like that, then a stone will have equal shining, either it is on 13th day or 15th day, because shining will come through the sun only. But that is not the moon. Moon is not a reflecting body. This is the science now. Moon is not mere a reflecting body. Moon is a living entity, more or less. Moon is a living entity. Living entity means moon has internal energy. Moon has internal energy. If sunlight falls on moon, moon adds its internal energy to reflect more. I believe it is all right. Means moon has capacity to reflect more than what it is receiving from the sun. That's why moon shines this much. If someone keeps any heavenly body like moon at the same distance of moon, that will not shine that much. Exactly like mountains and valleys are there, the way moon is facing toward earth, exactly like that. If someone keeps at the distance of moon, same size or whatsoever size, then it will not shine that much the way moon shines during the Shukla Paksh. Shukla Paksh means when it is going from zero moon to full moon. In that phase, the way moon is shining, it is because of the earth sunlight plus its internal power. What do you mean internal power? Moon is a battery, yes. Moon behaves like a capacitor or a battery which charges for some duration and then it uses its charging capacity. then it is fully charged. After that, whatever sunlight comes, it used its internal energy, its battery energy to reflect more so that it will look very bright in the night. The light that is coming out of the moon is not a mere reflection from the sun. Moon has its own capability. If it is a red moon, it is not because of the shadow of the earth. Moon has its own capability. Moon is created by someone. Moon is generally people show that how planets are how planets are created from the star. Nowadays research is going on how stars are formed. It's true that a star get formed, then out of star planet get formed, but that is not the case of the moon. Moon is created by someone. Moon has internal energy, internal philosophy. Moon is a living entity more or less. Okay, tell me what is the concept of the behind of the moon. Behind of the moon is a crater and plain so that it absorbs the maximum light from the sun. Moon has two phases. One is called reflection phase and one is called charging phase. These are not mentioned in any of the book. One is called energy emitting phase. That person see from the no moon night to the full moon night. At that phase, it emits energy, receives the light and emits more. It discharges after the full moon night. Then, when after full moon night, the moon will be other side of the moon will start moving toward the sun. In the no moon night, that is Amavasya, no moon night, the back side of the moon will be completely facing the sun, completely. Means at that time, how charging happens? To get to have the charge, you have to make a flat land and you have to make a hole. Okay, it will charge maximum when it is paraboloid. Take any paraboloid antenna and see how it absorbs the energy or a spheric. Okay, if it is a flat and it has a spherical and paraboloid, someone has to prove this through the mathematics. It has a spherical and paraboloid holes are there, then the maximum light it will absorb. So other 14 days, main focus is to absorb energy from the sun. It prepares for the so moon work is only for 14 days, not next 14 days. Next 14 days, moon concentrate on charging its battery. And next 14 days, it focus on showing light on you. Moon is not showing light on you for 28 days, only 14 days. Next 14 days, it is starts hiding. Okay, it will come out after some time and then it will be faded one. Anyone can see. Okay, after the full moon night, moon will come out and it will be faded. It will not be that lightning the way it used to be earlier. Means moon has lighting period only for the 14 days. Next 14 days, moon goes through charging its face. And on the no moon night, moon is charging maximum from the back side through its antenna. Someone can say antenna. Though the holes, the evenly placed holes are its antenna. Where moon takes charges itself maximum on the no moon night. Charging starts from the next day of the full moon night. Where moon completely lose its focus to show you. That's why moon does not come out at all. If someone watches in the evening, moon will not be there. After some time, moon will appear and it will be faded one. Okay, means moon is concentrating now to charge itself rather than discharge itself. 14 days it charges and 14 days it discharges. This is the moon circle. Why it is so? It is beyond that. It is not that straightforward the way I am saying. Moon is a battery. It is not up to that. It is beyond that we cannot discuss. Okay, up to here only. There is beyond science, beyond this. But whatever I'm talking, this is the charging and discharging. Why charging and discharging? Okay, moon charging when moon is discharging when it is no moon night to full moon night. 14 days it will shine because it is imparting its own energy with the reflection of the light. It will have more light than any reflection can happen. On full moon night, that is the maximum strength it is showing the light. It will be very bright. But after that, it starts focusing on charging itself through the back antenna. Front is different to show you, and back is different to charge you. Moon takes uses its back side to charge itself through the sun. If this is the sun, moon is charging itself. This is the full moon night when the moon is using its internal energy to reflect the high amount of light. Okay, then it start moving like this, and back side is coming to the sun. And the no moon night backside is completely toward the sun. It is charging this man. To get it charged, it has those holes where light will come and get absorbed completely. That's why both sides are completely different. One is to emit energy and one is to absorb the energy. Okay, that is the concept of moon. This exactly proves that moon is not created by the star or sun. Moon is made by human. Moon is really a god. If we say that moon is a god, moon is really a god. Moon is a heavenly body which has a life in it. Why charging and discharging is going on, that is more towards it, and we will tell in next video that is not possible. There is beyond science of it. Okay, why moon does like this? Anyway, I believe up to here it is all right. Now, what is beyond science of it, someone can think about it, why moon does like this. Okay, I believe this is the mystery of the moon. And moon, what is more secret here, I believe personally, that in solar system not only moon, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, all are planets, and they are not the reflector. The way the science says, if light falls on Mars, then Mars show with a reflection. Mars show the red light because it is red. There are beyond it. Okay, it's not that straightforward. It's mystery. The universe is mystery. How I can understand the mystery? How I can understand the beyond mystery of the moon? I always say that universe is inside you. Universe is inside you. If you go inside you, you will understand all the mystery.